Hi, it's Mona. For today's pop-up box card, I will use the Cheesy Christmas and the Joy to All stamp sets. I will also use the scalloped box card pop-up dies and other dies I will mention later. I stamped the images with the Jack Black ink pad onto Nina Solar White cardstock. After a 1-minute heat set, I start the coloring process with Ohuhu markers. These are the Ohuhu color combos I'm using on the stamped images. Feel free to check back here anytime for the color reference. Now I will put some music for the coloring process and I will be back with the continuation soon. Now it's time for highlights. I am always using a white pen for highlighting and sometimes a white pencil as well. I think this gives a lot to the colored images. They will get a lovely shiny effect and they pop out more. The images are done and they are so cute. Now it's time to die cut them with their coordinating dies, which I did off camera to save you a little time. Next, I create 2 die cuts with the scalloped box card pop-up die from Guava Cardstock. After this, I create stitched rectangles with the rectangle dies from the scalloped box card pop-up die. The pink cardstock is from the Really Rainbow Petite paper pack. I also create 3 connector panels from white cardstock. These go inside the box card. Then I run 3 heel parts through my die cut machine with the shadow box dies from white cardstock. I cut them again with the stitched rectangles from the pop-up dies. This will add a bit of texture to the cardstock and the snow effect. Now I have everything ready to finish my box card. First I fold the die cuts with a bond folder, then I start to put together the base with strong lawnfawn double-sided adhesive. I remove the parchment paper from the adhesives, then I close the card base, push it well, and I use my bond folder again for a better adhering result. Next, I put together the rectangles with snow and dress the box with them. I just adhere them with liquid adhesive to their right place. I made a mistake during the splattering on the other side of the cardstock, so I fix it with a gently wet Q-tip. The result is not perfect, but I'm okay with that. Before I add the colored images to the box card, I stamp the sentiment from the cheesy Christmas stamp set with lobster ink and add a few more white dots with a white pen. As you can see, for the standing critters I create some extra die cuts, as well as some freehand cut cardstock strips from leftover cardstock. I adhere them together with liquid adhesive and place them on the snow like a clip. It will hold better and won't bend the cardstock when it dries. I really love box cards because they are not only fun to make, but the surprise on the recipient's face makes it all worth it. Here is a final look of the finished pop-up box card, or at least I thought it was done. I realized I needed something in the background, so I added snowy hills, which I made with the Shadow Box Card Mountain add-on dies. Now it's truly finished, and I hope it will put a smile on the recipient's face. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!